Hi guys, these are the habits of the rich that actually help to become financially independent and will help you too. Let's sprinkle some facts and jump right in. Who knew being a millionaire would have 5 commonalities, 5 personality attributes in common that lead to a financially free life? It is more than just 7 figures that these people have in common. They also have common habits and attributes. There is a perception that millionaires, particularly self-made millionaires, which is what we really want to talk about here, use resilience, perseverance, and a little bit of luck to build their wealth. Chris Hogan, in his book Everyday Millionaires, shares 5 characteristics that all these people have in common. Let's get in the mood for this. So the first one, millionaires own it. Average everyday millionaires are in control of their money decisions. They know success is up to them, and so they become active and take ownership. There are countless examples in the book that work through this, and diligent saving, avoiding debt, and learning how to invest and improving your investments are all part of owning it. There was also another interesting observation. Wealth builders were optimistic and willing to try and do difficult things to achieve results. However, they were also quick to acknowledge when things were not working, get feedback, integrate, adapt. So they both own it and don't blame anyone else if they're falling short. They focus on what they can control and build habits to the goals they can set themselves. That's quite stoic when you think about it. The second trait, being intentional. This is a good one and obvious, which is living on less than you make and exercising discipline with spending. Basically having a budget, right? Actually, in the book, Hogan found in his studies that more than 50% of millionaires even, it sounds like mayonnaise. What? Ugh. What I'm trying to say is more than 50% of millionaires surveyed believed that the main reason people don't become millionaires is the lack of financial discipline. There's no accident on living on less than you make, right? In fact, it takes intention, especially when lifestyle creep is ever apparent as we become more successful. It is almost a little counterintuitive, but still one of the biggest determinants. The rich habit generally is the less of your income you can live off, the more of your income can be put to work making income for you. The intentional part, of course, is making that decision to live on less, as the unintentional consequence is there are always ways to spend your money. Businesses are experts at making you spend your money, guys. Third attribute is having goals. The power of goal setting in the millionaire community is truly astounding. You will be blown away by the fact that 90% of millionaires live in a goal-based thesis with their money. Actually, 92% of millionaires develop a long-term plan for the money, and 97% achieve the goals that they set. So the power of goals, guys, and incorporating them into a long-term plan for financial independence, again, means you avoid the lifestyle creep, which the majority of us and the population fall prey to. And millionaires are not focused on what they can have now to make them happy, but the concept of delayed gratification and focusing on plans to make them wealthier tomorrow. The next characteristic, hard work. Hell yeah, guys. It goes without saying, but nothing comes without hard work. In hard work, we trust, guys. In fact, the findings found that 93% of millionaires attribute hard work over big salaries. Also, another byproduct is to work on projects and jobs that you actually love. Putting hours away to work is a big sacrifice, and so self-made millionaires focus on building their careers, jobs, businesses around what they love. It is quite smart when you think about it. Right, the best bit, consistency. Best but boring also, right? In finance, we talk about compounding as the 8th wonder of the world, allegedly coined by Einstein. What allows this wonder to work though? Fact is, being consistent. Consistency is what brings it all together. Sure, you can set your goals, budget, be intentional and work hard, but what brings it all together is the glue. Guys, who else has been fixated by the Gorilla Glue fiasco that's been going on with that poor girl that Gorilla glued her hair to her scalp? By the by, talking about glue, the fact is you repeat your actions day after day, month after month, and year after year, and even decade after decade. Doing this consistently, you know the results will 100% arrive. The strategies are robust and foolproof, though you need to have the long-term consistent mindset, and that will lead to millions as time goes on. I mentioned lifestyle inflation in this video, and how lucky are you guys? I have a video I did on this exact thing linked right over here, and I will see you over there where we chat about why Gucci Prada might be bad.